Good morning to everybody. Now we are going to discuss who will get income through property. Previously we given more than 6 videos in different topics. First 3 video we are giving for marriage, then profession. Now we are going to discuss the property. Who will get income through property? We are going to check with one horoscope. Before going to the horoscope, first of all we have to know the principle for property. Who will get income through the property? Through the cuspal interlinks theory. Actually, property is called fourth house. Fourth house is called a property, because second house is called income. This is income or liquid cash. From the second house, this is third house. This is third house. Third house is called update or multiple effects. Second house is called income. Fourth house is called more income or bulk income. For example, second house is called 2000 rupees single note. Fourth house is called bundle of 2000 rupees bundle of 2000 rupees is called fourth house. That means huge money is called fourth house, or all the combined money is called fourth house. Lot of combined single note is combined in one bundle is called fourth house. That means second house is also called material is called second house. Fourth house is called combined material. That means, for example, house is combined sand, bricks, steel, cement. These are all combined together in one house. Therefore, fourth house is called combined material or more material. If one horoscope, the fourth sublord should be very strong. This is called potential. If potential of the fourth sublord, if it is good, the property strength will be increased in this horoscope. For example, fourth sublord should interlinked with 2 or 4 or 10. If it is fourth house connected with 2, 4, 6, 10 is called the fourth potential is increased. The fourth house is developed. Okay, sir. Meantime, if fourth sublord connected with 2, 4, 6, 10 means this is called cause. This is called effect. In cuspal interlinks theory, if any bhava is interlinked with other bhava, this area is called effect. That means fourth house connected with the second house means this is also called source. This is matter. Source matter. Fourth sublord connected to second house means income through fourth house. That means income through property. Fourth house connected with the same fourth house. That means fourth sublord is interlinked in its own star or own sub. It is called fourth sublord is connected again fourth house. That means huge income through the property. Fourth sublord sixth house is called huge. The property is developed more. If any bhava it is interlinked with from their third house, it is called multiple effects. It is called multiple effects. Multiple effects means fourth sublord connected with sixth house means more than one property. More than one property or 3 property, 4 property, because the fourth house is multiplied. every third house is called as a multiple effects will come. Fourth sublord is connected to 10th house means the profession come from property, that means builder, like this. Okay, that means if these 2, 4, 6, 10, the 4 houses is very good house for material, and also it is good for 4th house. Therefore, one person will get more income through property. That horoscope, the 4th sublord should connected to 2, 4, 6, 10. This is called a good effect. The 4th sublord is connected with 3, 7, 11 or 1, 3, 7, 11 means he is enjoying his property. He will enjoy his property, but the property is not stable. He always changing his property. Therefore, the potential also very less. These houses 1, 3, 7, 11, these houses is favorable for Lagna, unfavorable for 4th house. Because the first house is from the 4th, this is 6th house, this is 12th house, this is 4th house, this is 8th house. Therefore, this is unfavorable for 4th house. Therefore, the property, he can't get the more income the property, he always selling his property. This is not good. Okay, sir. If 4th sublord connected to 5, 9, he is not getting any income through his property, only is enjoying the property. He is getting more enjoyment because this 5, 9 is favorable to Lagna. The readers, already we discussed 6 videos in previous section. The cuspal interlinks theory already we told. That is 2 part. One is inner biased bhavas and outer biased bhavas. Inner biased bhava is odd number. Outer biased bhava is even number. Inner biased bhava is soul based bhava. Soul based. S-O-U-L. Soul based means only the happiness inner part of our body. Outer biased bhavas, that means material related. Outer means material is out of our body. All the even number is outer biased bhava. The 8-12 final 8-12 is this is unfavorable to Lagna. If any bhava is interlinked, is interconnected with 8 and 12, that bhava karaka should not enjoy by the Lagna. Therefore, the 8-12 is unfavorable to Lagna, even though it will be favorable to 4th house, but due to the Lagna, this bhava is unfavorable to Lagna, therefore it will not enjoy by the Lagna. Therefore, this is very worst condition. The property is there, but the person not able to enjoy his property. That means the document related problem, or some people occupied the property, some lot of court case, this type of problem will come in 4th sublord connected with the 8th house. Mainly 4th sublord connected with the 8th house means the vastu problem definitely it will be available in the house. Therefore, the property is 4th house. The 4th sublord should interconnected with 2, 4, 6, 10. This is the first option. 2 or 4 or 6 or 10 is the first option. Otherwise, if the 4th sublord connected with 3 means it should be interlinked with 9 also. Then only it will be reduced the selling option. Because 3rd house is controlled by 9th house. Already we discussed in previous section the Sabdama Bhava. These are the Sabdama Bhava. 1-7, 2-8, 3-9, 4-10, 5-11, 6-12. This is called Sabdama Bhava. The Sabdama Bhava means it will be controlled 1-to-1. That is Jodi, pair. That means 3rd house is controlled by 9th house, 4th house is controlled by 10th house, 5th house is controlled by 11th house. Normally in our theory the thumb rule is, these are the 4 rules, the 2, 4, 6, 10, 1, 3, 7, 11, 5, 9, 8, 12. The 4 is the thumb rule. In this the 5, 9 is unfavorable to material, favorable to Lagna. 8-12 is favorable, it is not favorable to Lagna and also as a second house also, material house also. Because any bhava is unfavorable to Lagna means we have to consider it will be bad for all bhavas. This is the main rule. Okay, sir. Therefore, if second house means if any planet is interlinked with 8th house means if it is also connected with the second house means that means 2-8 means the problem will be minimized. The problem will be controlled. That means 8th house is 100% bad. 2-8 means 50% bad. Okay, sir. 10th, likewise we have to know the Sabdama Bhava also. This information already we given in previous horoscope, previous videos. Now we are going to discuss one example chart. This example chart is this person is getting minimum more than, this is middle class family, the person is born in middle class family. He is having 4 houses. He is a little small builder. He is getting more than 1.5 lakhs rupees rent from his property. How it is possible? We are going to check this horoscope. Now we are going to check this horoscope. First of all, the date of birth. This horoscope, date of birth is 12/3/1963. Time is 9:24:30 AM. Place of birth Chennai, Porur. Chennai is the city, Porur is one part of the city. While the birth time, the dasa balance. Dasa balance is moon dasa. Moon dasa 4 years, 1 month, 13 days. Is born in Asta Nakshatra, therefore moon dasa for Asta Nakshatra, part 3, third pada. While birth, the dasa balance is 4 year, 1 month, 13 days. Now we are going to discuss the horoscope. Before discuss the horoscope, this horoscope detail will be now we are going to put in screenshot. That means 12 Bhava interlink and 9 Bhava interlink. How to correct the birth time rectification, how to done through the ruling planet also I will mention in the screenshot. The readers please see the screenshot. While the YouTube video is moving, just you pause and note it the details in your notebook. Then now we are going to discuss the horoscope. Good morning to all. Now we are going to discuss this horoscope. Previously this horoscope we written in whiteboard. Now it is in software model. The date of birth is 12/3/1963. Time is 9:24:30 AM. Given time is 9:25. How I rectified the birth time, it will be explained in after 5 minutes. Place of birth is Chennai, Porur. Chennai, Porur is this city is Chennai. Porur is part of the Chennai. Therefore, just we mentioned particular exact place. Therefore, we mentioned Chennai, Porur. Birth star is Asta Nakshatra, third pada. Rasi is Vigro. Lagna is Aries, 20 degree 48 minute 27 second is the Lagna starting point. Dasa balance while birth is 4 year moon Dasa 4 years 1 month 13 days. Current Dasa Saturn Dasa Ragu Buddhi Rahu Andhra Ragu Suchama. The ruling planet which was mentioned in this page under Lord Mahaganapati feet. The ruling planet is 17/4/2016 6:26:54 p.m. That ruling planet day lord is Sun. Lagna is Lagna lord is Venus. Star lord is Mars. Sub lord is Moon. Sub lord is Rahu. This is for Lagna. For Moon, Rasi Lord is Sun, that is Simha Lagna, Simha Rasi. Lagna, Moon Star Lord is Kedu, Sub Lord is Mercury, Sub Lord is Jupiter, Sub Lord is Jupiter. Same, it will be available in next page also. Now we are going to next page for how I rectified the time. In this page, same ruling planet is there. In the ruling planet, the Lagna ruling planet Moon position should link with birth time Lagna position. In Moon position, Jupiter and Mercury is the strong planet. Actually, even ruling planet, the Moon triple S or double S should match with birth time Lagna double S. Here, Moon double S and triple S, RP Moon double S and triple S is Jupiter. Jupiter already Lagna sublord for natal. Birth time Lagna sublord is Jupiter. The Jupiter already it is available in Moon, RP Moon, triple S and double S. Okay, sir. Therefore, we have to go consider the Lagna birth time Lagna sublord should be Mercury, because the Mercury is the third planet, second level third planet in RP Moon position. Therefore, Mercury we put in birth time corrected place. Lagna star lord is Jupiter, star lord is Venus, sub lord is Jupiter, sub lord is Mercury. Normally, the Lagna sub lord is fast moving. Therefore, in ruling planet only we have to consider the Lagna sub lord only. Lagna star lord and Rasi lord and sub lord all are having more time. That is why in our software, in ruling planet, RP ruling planet, Moon position, last powerful planet, 2 planet will be mentioned in blue color. Same blue color we mentioned in birth time Lagna sub lord also. Okay, sir. This in this horoscope the chart style is South Indian style. Therefore, North Indian people very difficult to understand. Therefore, next page we are going to North Indian style. This is North Indian style horoscope. Particularly in Delhi people or Mumbai people will know this model. Therefore, we are giving that people. Now, this page 12 Bhava Kaspal position. First Bhava is Rasi Lord is Mars, Rasi star Lord, Lagna star Lord, Lagna Lord is Mars, Lagna star Lord is Venus, Lagna sub Lord is Jupiter, Lagna sub Lord is Mercury. Likewise, 12 Bhava starting point, that means Kaspal position, ruler we mentioned here. In all the Kaspal sublord, it will be mentioned in red color. Okay, sir. Now we are going to 9 planet position. In 9 planet position, Sun in the in Saturn house, in the star of Jupiter, sub of Venus, sub of Rahu. Actually, here all the planet star lord mentioned in red color, sublord mentioned in green color. Normally, for planet, star lord and sublord is enough. If any planet in own star and own sub, then only the sub will be need. That means here Rahu in the star of Saturn, sub of Saturn. Therefore, we have to consider the sub. Rahu again it is in the sub of Saturn. Therefore, Rahu is agent of Saturn. Now we are going to discuss the 9 planet cuspal interlinks. This will be useful for Dasa Buddhi prediction. Here, Sun in the star of Jupiter, sub of Venus. Sun is the 9th sublord. Jupiter is 1 and 7 and 12 sublord. Venus in 3, 8 sublord. Here, 1, 7 is the Sabdama Bhava. For 1, 7, 6, 12 should be, it will be available in, if it is available in sublord 6, 12, the 1, 7 will not work. Here, 6, 12 is not there in sublord. That means Venus is not holding 6, 12. Therefore, the 1, 7 is working in star level and sub level also. Third house also will operating. Therefore, 1, 3, 7, 9 we are put at. This interlink, how to find out the interlink, we will explain in whiteboard. Now we are going to check another page. This is 12 cuspal sublord, 12 and their star lord and sublord effective interlinks will be available in this page. If you see the two chart, lot of the planet, for example in previous chart, can you please comment previous chart also. In previous chart, lot of the planet, that means lot of the planet is favorable to 4th house. Therefore, he is having more property, he is having more income through the property, particularly running Dasa. There is no planet, only one planet. Sun and Venus is signifying 3rd house. Other lot of the planet is favorable to for 4th house. Now we are going to check next page, 12 Bhava sublord. Here 4th potential is very good and 6th potential also very good. 4th potential is one property. 6th potential is rent from the property. That means from 4th house to 6th house is the 3rd house. Every 3rd house is updating the previous house. That means first property is 4th house, second property is 6th house. When the people having the second property, then only he will get rent. That is why here the second property, that means 6th house is interlinked to 4, 6, 10. This message I did not mentioned in the whiteboard, therefore I am mentioned here. Now we are going to go on next page. In this page, both 9 planet interlink and Bhava interlink combined in this page is in this page, the down places plus symbol is there. That means plus symbol means in this horoscope, if you see the Ketu, the plus symbol we put. Plus symbol means there is no there is no planet in Ketu star and Ketu star. That means if you see Sun, there is no plus symbol because in this horoscope Ketu is in Sun star. Therefore, Sun is not having plus symbol. For Mercury, plus symbol is there. There is no planet in Mercury star and Mercury sub. Therefore, the Mercury holding 2nd and 5th house will be strong. That is why the plus symbol is there. And another one, ash symbol. Ash symbol is, that is cuspal subsublord. The planet in cuspal subsublord is very fast moving. Therefore, we have to take some precaution. That is why the ash symbol we are mentioned. Because cuspal sublord, it takes more than, for example, Sun sublord also, it will take 3 to 4 minutes. For Venus sub, it will take 9 minutes. For subsublord, very fast moving. Therefore, we have to take some precaution. That is why the ash symbol is there. Dollar symbol is located house. In this horoscope, all the planet is interlinked with the cusp. Therefore, the dollar symbol is not there. Top symbol is there. Top symbol means if any planet in his own star and own sub, the top symbol we mentioned. For example, Mars in own sub. Mars in Saturn star and Mars sub. Therefore, top symbol available in Mars. Jupiter in own star. Therefore, top symbol is we mentioned in Jupiter. That means if any planet in own star and own sub, the holding bhava will be getting more power. That means Jupiter holding 1 7 12. The 1 7 in this 7 is 1 7 is more powerful. That is why we mentioned. Fourth house also more power. That is why we mentioned, because fourth sublord is Mars. Mars in own sub. Therefore, the fourth house is getting more power. Now we are going to discuss the horoscope. If you want to see the software, just to go down our description box. Our website is www.kpastrologyclass.com. If you download our demo software, otherwise our main Tamil website also there, astrodevaraj.com. If you go in Tamil website also, you can download our demo software and use it. Now we are going to discuss the horoscope. Thank you. First of all, if you discuss any horoscope, the main bhava is Lagna bhava. If Lagna bhava is favorable to our involvement, it will be good potential. That means if Lagna bhava is unfavorable to any bhava, that bhava karaka will not work. For example, one doctor means 6th house. If Lagna bhava is connected with the 5th house, he will not be a good doctor, because Lagna is called our brain. Our brain is unfavorable to any bhava. That person is not capable to that department. That means he is a builder. He is having more than 3 houses, getting rental from the houses. Therefore, the Lagna sublord should favorable to 4th house. It should be connected with the 4th house or favorable to 4th house. This is called a Lagna potential. If the Lagna potential is good for the particular bhava, that bhava karaka will be developed in future. That called individuality of the horoscope. Okay, sir. Now we are going to discuss the Lagna potential of the house. It is favorable to 4th house or not, we have to discuss. Now, this is Lagna sublord. Lagna sublord is Jupiter. Actually, this is 12 bhava cuspal position. This is a 9 planet cuspal position. In the 12 bhava, the center point, cuspal sublord, is the very powerful significator in this horoscope. Second, cuspal subsublord. Third, cuspal star lord. These are the significator we can take from this area only. Okay, sir. Meantime, if any planet is not a cuspal star lord and sublord, then we have to go position of the place, because the position is to our in that area. Therefore, that is the common factor. Therefore, if any planet is not in the cuspal position, then only we will go for position. Okay, sir. Now we are going to discuss the Lagna potential. Lagna sublord Jupiter. Jupiter in the star of Jupiter, sub of Mars. Jupiter in the star of Jupiter, sub of Mars. First, Jupiter is the Lagna sublord. You have to check here. Jupiter is also a sublord of 7th house and also a sublord of 12th house. Therefore, we have to put here 1 7 12. Jupiter is the sublord of 1 7 12. That means it is not only a Lagna sublord, it is also a sublord of 7 and 12. Then again 7 1 7 12. Then Mars we have to check. Mars we have to put. If you check here, Mars is the 4th sublord. Then there is no only 4th sublord. Therefore, you have to put here the 4th. Here this is star. This is sub. Star is the matter, sub is the decider. Star is the matter, sub is the decider. Here this is the Sabdama Bhava. 1 7 is the Sabdama Bhava. For Sabdama Bhava, the 12th house is only, it will be damaged. For example, for 1 7, 6 12 is the bad house. For 511, 410 is the bad house. For 39, 28 is the bad house. That is why here 17 is there. Here only 4th house is there. 612 is not there. Therefore, the 17 will be work in continuously. It will not damage. That means this is first part, this is second part. The first part is 1712. 1712 for 17 here 612 is not there. Therefore, 17 it will work. Then 12th house. Already 7th house is there. For 12th house, 3, 7, 11 is the bad house. For 12th house, this is 8th house. Therefore, 12th house will not work strong. It will be dilute. 4th house already we have to put same. For 4th house, 3, 11 is the bad house. In every planet, every bhava, the 8 and from 8 and 12 bhava is the unfavorable bhava. It will be damaged. Here, Lagna sublord is interlinked with 147. 147 is the, here this is favorable to 4th house is there. This is not, Lagna is not interlinked with 3 and 11. 3 and 11 is the unfavorable house for 4th house. 3 and 11 is the unfavorable house for 4th house, because 3rd house is called from 4th house, this is 12th house. 11th house is from 4th house, this is 8th house. Therefore, 311 houses is very bad for property development. Okay, sir. Lagna is not connected with 3 and 11. Meantime, Lagna is connected with the 4th house. Therefore, Lagna potential is support to the 4th house. If Lagna is support to any house, that house potential will be it is that knowledge, that ability will be developed in the horoscope. Okay, sir. Now we are going to discuss 4th house. Actually, if we will discuss any houses, first we have to check Lagna. This is 15% effect. That particular bhava, it is 40%. For example, here property 4th house is called as a particular bhava. That particular planet, Graha Karaka, this is bhava Karaka, that is 40%. For example, marriage. For example, marriage means we have to discuss Lagna, 7th house, and Kalatra Karaka Venus. For male, Venus, for female, Mars. And 9th potential. 9th means God grace. God grace, it is called 5%. That means main is particular bhava and planet. The Graha Karaka, this is bhava Karaka, this is Graha Karaka is very important. It is 80%. For Lagna is 15% and the 9th potential, God grace, is 5%. Therefore, now we are going to discuss the 4th house, 4th potential. The 4th potential is favorable or not. And then we have to discuss the planet. The Graha Karaka for property is Mars and Venus. Mars is the land and the construction, all the construction material is Mars. Venus is the luxury materials. For example, tiles, marbles, door, which are the luxury item, all are called Venus. In any house, for middle class people house, more than 60 to 70% Mars is having the Mars is taking the Karaka, Mars is taking the part. Venus is around 30%. Another electrical item, lot of plumbing item, lot of material is there, but maximum we are taking Mars and Venus for the property. Mars is 70% because of land and the material with sand, cement, all are called Mars. What are the strong material, long standing? The appearance is not good. Mars Karaka is appearance is not good. Venus is the appearance is good. That is why now we are going to discuss the fourth potential of this horoscope. Here fourth sublord is Mars. Mars is the fourth sublord. Mars in the star of Saturn, sub of again Mars. Fourth potential we have to discuss. Fourth sublord Mars. Mars is only a fourth sublord, it is not a sublord of any Bhava. Only fourth house we are going to put here. It is in the star of Saturn. Saturn, if you see, Saturn is the sixth sublord and also a 11th sublord. Therefore, 6 and 11 we are going to put. And again Mars, then Mars 4 we have to put. Here, 6th, this is the star matter sub decider. This star sub. Star is the matter, sub is the decider. 6th, from the 6th, this is favorable. These are the favorable bhavas. Both are even number. From 4th, this is 11th house. Therefore, the 6th house is developing. For 11th, already 6th is operating. For any horoscope, the odd number and even number is coming in one planet. The one number will be work, another number is another bhava will be reduced its strength. For example, 411. Here 11th house is working, 4th house is diluted. 611. Here 6th is the powerful. 18. 8th is power. 29. 9 is power. 16. 1 is power. Because from this is 8th house, from this is 6th house. 6th house is good, 8th house is bad. Therefore, here already 6th house is running. Therefore, the 11th house will not work. Therefore, 11th house will not work. Here 4th house is there. Now we are going to put 4th house. That means the fourth sublord Mars is interlinked with the 4 and 6. The 4 and 6 is very good house for 4th house. The 4th house is multiply affected in developed because 4th house developed as 6th house. Therefore, in this horoscope, this person is getting more, the potential is having more than one houses, more than one property. Meantime, Mars is the Graha Karaka for property also. Okay, viewers, now we are going to, the first part is over. Now we are going to discuss to another matter, the planet Karaka and the 9th house and Dasa Buddhi, how you get the property. We are going to check the Dasa Buddhi. In second part, after 2 days, the second part also will release. Now we are going to second part. Thank you.